Hello guys, welcome back into this crypto technical analysis. Today we'll do, as usual, a multiple time frame analysis. Let's start from BTC under a weekly time frame. We've got a weekly close yesterday. This rejection right below the resistance which I was talking about, $31,500 and $31,000. After we got stuck about 4 weeks that we didn't break the resistance, and we got rejection right from $31,000 around $700 and $500. Important level based on a weekly time frame is going to be $27,000 all the way up to $25,500 are going to be extremely important based on a weekly time frame. If we're going to recap, first exit based on a weekly time frame, 52,000, second one, and then 48 was the last exit. And since then we saw a massive drop in the market all the way from the top. From the exit we saw 75% pump in the market. However, as I said, that was an accumulation zone based on a weekly and daily time frame. As soon as $19,200 based on a daily time frame, as well as you see this is a white line, which is an important line as well based on a higher time frame. As long as we're going to be above 17.5 as well as 18,000 pump in the market, and the first target was $30,000, $32,000 all the way up to $36,000. So from the bottom as well, as soon as we stayed above 18,000 and 17.5, we saw over 80% pump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as we can see, that was a 3 weeks of consolidation with a fake out, and we closed below that daily time frame the next day with a bearish engulfing, and at the moment highly likely this trend is broken. Also, I showed that with a raincoat chart as well, as you can see, rejection from the resistance, and we're losing this low as well. And then the first target level based on a mid time frame is going to be $29,000. So there is an interesting scenario. This was an accumulation, as you can see. We saw similar price action. Once we broke the white line based on a weekly time frame, we had this massive pump in the market. However, on the daily time frame, this is a smaller time frame. Yesterday we broke below this line as well, as I shared on the raincoat chart as well, which is confirming that we're out of this white line, and this means likely that this range came to an end. We might see a further pullback in the market. So based on the levels, if we're going to analyze the levels, the next support level based on a higher time frame is going to be as soon as we lose this weekly, as you can see, confluence with a white line, which is extremely important line. Above this line, continuation to the upside. However, below this line, which is a white line, it's going to be starting off the downtrend, and losing this daily will give us the next target level is going to be all the way up to $28,000. This is a first level where you have a confluence with a weekly time frame. However, on the higher time frame, $27,500 all the way up to $27,000 is going to be extremely important, where you have 0.618, the golden pocket. Also, you can see these blue lines as well. That is around within this $28,000 and $27,000 range. Staying below around 30,300 and 500, highly likely that price action will break this daily, and then the first target is going to be $28,000. As long as we do not lose the 28,000, we might have a weak and then V-shaped recovery, and we can go further up. That's the first scenario, but we will see it, because as soon as I said, we lost 30,000, 29,900, that we had a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame, and now this type of price action may lead all the way up to, in the first place, $28,000. As long as we stay above $28,000 on the daily time frame, and daily time frame will be safe. However, losing this level, it's going to create a panic in the market. The next level is going to be daily, which is going to be $26,200. However, it's slightly early for us to talk about it at the moment. I'm keeping an eye on $28,000 and $27,000, which I shared earlier on, 0.618 and at around these region. And as you can see, clear picture on the daily time frame. As mentioned, as long as we stayed above on the weekly time frame, 18,000, and the daily time frame confirmation came at around $19,200 and $500 as soon as we stayed above, and we had a trend change since we lost $52,000 and $60,000. First bullish signal based on a daily V-shaped recovery, and we reached to the target number 1 all the way up to target 2 on the higher time frame. That's a spot for the spot bank holders, and we saw as soon as we had a trend change based on a daily time frame, we saw massive over nearly 65% with a current price action over 50% pump in the market. If you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. During the course you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with an ETH analysis, on the swing trade that we stayed above as soon as we broke 1750, 1760, we took it long. The first target level was 1950 all the way up to $2,000, and we saw massive over 14% pump in the market. However, as long as we do not lose this level, as you can see, number of times it held, there is a lot of support in here, point of control. There is a mid-time frame as well as the lower time frame, Fibonacci levels as well, and then you've got value area low. Without losing this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the level of 1750. If we're going to lose this level, and the next level is going to be quick, that will be around 1750. However, Ethereum looks slightly healthier than BTC, staying above 1920, and this level, which will allow us to go all the way up to the next level, $2,050, $2,100. BTC on the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we broke $26,800 and $700, we had a trend change. We saw massive 20% plus pump in the market. However, as soon as we lost this level, which was $30,300, $30,000, which I was talking about, now we have a bearish trend change on the 4-hour time frame. As long as we stay below 30,500, we do not see this type of price action. 4-hour will remain under the bear's control. So the next levels, as you can see, all the wicks one by one rejected right from the weekly. Once we're going to lose the daily, the next level 28,000 followed by $27,000, where we'll have a lot of confluence between $28,000 and $27,000. As I said, 30,500 and 300 is extremely important. However, we have already trend change. 1 hour, 2 hour, as well as the 4-hour time frames are under the bear's control. Play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.